Okay, for my broccoli loaf here, I've got a quarter of a cup of pumpkin seed, a quarter of a cup of sunflower seeds, and a quarter of a cup of flaxseed. I've got ground because that's all I've got with me, but you can have whole flax seeds, a teaspoon of turmeric, Himalayan salt, and cumin. And here I've got a quarter of a cup of LSA, which is ground linseed, sunflower, and almond, a little bit more than a quarter cup. The broccoli, and 2 to 3 eggs, depending on the size of them. Some rock salt just to go on the top of my loaf when I'm putting it in the oven. And you can have a zest of lime, or I quite like to have the juice in mine. And just a silicone baking tin. If you've got a normal tin, then just line that out so that it's easy to turn out, because I quite like to turn mine out after about 35 minutes on 200 degrees, so that the bottom gets a really nice crunch in that too. So that's the ingredients, nice and simple, away we go. Oh God, this is so delicious with just butter on it. But as I said earlier on, you can have avocado, poached egg, whatever you want to put on it, and simple lunch with just some butter. Delicious. Keep in the fridge. It's a stable piece of ingredients that you can have in your repertoire. Enjoy.